Hello there, modern man. Do you know that you have four different type of erection? Not just one, four. And Mother Nature programmed you to have it that way. All right, I'm Dr. Truong. I've treated over 7,000 men with ED over a 20-year span. Let me say it again. You heard it right. You are four different type of erection that you can have. And they're all erection, but they are kind of created a little differently. But your body is programmed to have erection. Kind of like the same way that why you need to have sex, because that's the way your body is programmed. Let me start with the first erection. That is the morning erection. And you've had that probably since you're an adolescent, right? When you start making testosterone in puberty. And morning erection usually happen at nighttime, actually. And you can have between 3 to 6 erection at night, with the most prominent one in the morning when you wake up. However, it only happens when you're in a dreamlike state called rapid eye movement. And that is spontaneous. So it happens when you're asleep, because that's when you're in deep sleep, you're dreaming, and you're in a parasympathetic state. And when you're in a parasympathetic state, the nerve is stimulated, you're releasing nitric oxide, you're increasing blood flow, therefore erection. So that erection number one is morning erection or even nighttime erection. You get about 3 to 6 of that in a night. How good is that, right? Number two is called spontaneous reflex erection. Now, this erection involves touching, right? Any type of touching any of the erogenous zone or touching on the penis itself. You know that you have more than 30 erogenous zone in your body, and with 12 of it just in around the penile area. So touching, so it's a reflex. So if you touch and then it sends, then there's sensation to the nerve in the spinal cord. It goes in a loop like this. Sometimes it can even occur with just the slightest touch or even just wind blowing near your penis. That's called reflex. So it goes to the spinal cord, the nerve at S2 and S4, and that causes that reflex erection. Sometimes kind of happen an embarrassing moment, right? Or sometimes kind of happen you're brushing against somebody and whoop, there goes your erection. Sometimes you can't even control it. So the younger you are, you may notice that you can't control it as much. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. Number three is psychogenic erection, where you get an erection just thinking about it. You get an erection when you, let's say, close your eyes and you think about it, or even when you're reading erotic books. It comes from your brain, then your brain releases hormones and release neurochemical, which then sends messages to the nerve, the base of your neck, which send messages to the parasympathetic nerve, which then open up blood vessels, releases nitric oxide, which then increases blood flow, and therefore you get an erection. Now, that is something that sometimes you do without even thinking about it. That's when you're kind of dreaming, or when you close your eyes, sometimes that will happen. And just know that there is a large psychogenic component to getting that erection. So then the fourth one is the most common one, where you get an erection during sexual arousal, which is a combination of both psychogenic and also the reflex erection. That means that it is a combination of both pathways of the brain, which then send messages down to the penis, and then also the reflex pathway, where it involves touching. Now imagine two pathways merging to give you a full-on erection, and that's what you get during sexual arousal. So sexual arousal involves touching and using the five senses in the taste, the smell, the visual stimuli, the audio stimuli, and touch, to combine with the psychological component of being aroused, being in the mood, being present with yourself and with your partner, being intentional and not overthinking it. So that's why sometimes during sexual activity, if you're worried about performance and you had anxiety or depression or being distracted, you may not get an erection because you're distracting the pathway that is generating that erection. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. So overall, there are 4 different types of erection that you can have. How interesting is that? So let's summarize. The first is morning erection or nighttime erection, which happens when you're asleep. It's the Mother Nature's way of exercising your penis for you, and that you should be able to have it, which is a good sign that you're having it, and you should continue to have it. And one way to optimize it is to have good night's sleep and to relax before you go to bed. The second type of erection is called the reflex, which is through touching or through pressure or touching the erogenous zone, which then send messages to the nerve in the spinal cord, which send a message to create an erection. That's the reflex. Number 3 is psychogenic or mental, which you can send messages from the brain, which then send signal down to the penis for an erection. And the 4th is the most common one during sexual arousal, is the combination of both psychogenic and reflex or touching, which is the most powerful of all. So knowing that, guys, you just need to remember to be present, be aroused, be aware. Don't overthink it. When you overthink it, you're going to talk yourself your erection. Oftentimes, just go with the flow, go with what's going on, enjoy the moment. Oftentimes, you're enjoying the moment. You're not thinking about what if or what's going to happen. So 4 different types of erection, optimize it, relax. And overall, guys, it's all about the 4 pillars of maintaining your sexual health. It is following the Mediterranean diet, exercise 30 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week if you can, have a good night's sleep, and decrease your stress. How do you decrease your stress? Through exercise, through stopping the screen before you go to bed, through socializing with your family, and being present for your partner. Those are simple things that will go a long way. So research has shown that diet and exercise alone work even better than Viagra, because if you're taking that medicine, Viagra, in your body, you're going to screw up the whole entire natural processes, how your body produces an erection. Remember, the last episode, I talked about Mother Nature's way of wanting for you to have an erection and taking care of you and optimizing you to have an erection. Don't ruin it, okay? Continue that process. Nurture your body. Take care of your body. It will take care of you. Take care of your body, take care of your heart, and that will take care of your sex life as well. I'm telling you, I've seen this work in thousands of men that I work with. Simplicity works, simplicity matters. Don't overcomplicate things. There is no shiny object. You have to do the work. If you want your sex life back, you have to do the work. There's no easy button as a pill that's gonna fix that, because that's just a short-term thing, because in the long term, it is not gonna work. So let me know what you think about this episode. It will mean the world to me if you subscribe, get notification, and shares it with somebody. A lot of our viewers are not our subscribers, so that's you. If you're not, click that subscribe button. And then also know you don't have to live with ED. If you want an ED reset, apply to work with us to see how we can help you get out of ED and to have the life that you want again, because you do not have to live with that. There are options. So having said that, I will see you in the next episode. Okay, modern men, You are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself is exhausting. But here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.